Today, I'm gonna walk you through keyword targeting to 10x your performance on YouTube. So there are different ways that you can go about doing this. We're gonna show you in my screen here different aspects of keyword targeting that you can look into, some tools as well I'll be sharing with you guys. So stick around in the video and let's dive right in. Okay, so we're in my screen here right now and I'm inside the keyword planner, right? So that is the tip number one, is use your keyword planner and other tools to find keyword ideas, right? So it's very important that you know how people are searching for your product or service that you are obviously offering. They're likely using Google and YouTube to search. Obviously, there are other search engines, but in this case, we just care about these. So one thing that I can tell you is that you definitely want to do some research around how people are searching for that product or service. So I'm just going to give you an example here today with, let's say, affiliate offer, right? Like an affiliate training. Okay, so like if I do affiliate training online, this is going to give me some results here. Okay, now if you are an affiliate coach, so let's say that you're somebody that offers affiliate marketing coaching or some sort of high-level affiliate marketing training online, then this would probably be a relevant keyword to search for, right? So here you have search volume. You want to definitely tap into these. If you don't offer something that's free for affiliate marketing, then maybe this is not a good idea, right? So this is where you need to be very cautious of what you want to include in these keywords to be able to target higher intent, right? Or higher quality traffic from your ads, right? So this like course affiliate marketing, best affiliate marketing course, right? Affiliate marketing online course. Again, if your thing is a course, if that's your offer, then these are very relevant searches. So that is something that you can do. I'm gonna share with you guys, for example, in one of our other client accounts, for how keyword targeting has been working phenomenally well in the last little while. So we did analysis of what the offer is. Obviously, in this particular case, it's an online offer. It's a done-for-you type of investment offer. You can see here, this particular offer has already, we've spent $1,700 essentially, okay, and we already got a sale for $45,000. And this is just a keyword campaign. There are no audiences here. I'll show you. Just demographic. Obviously, we do have a tight grip on the demographic aspect, right? So we're not targeting, all of these here. So that's another thing, is that you want to ensure that your demographic is aligned with your customer avatar and who you're trying to reach, right? And then you can see here in the keyword aspect of things, we have 3 particular keywords. One of them is paused. Again, these are blurred out just for privacy reasons, but you'll be able to see that this is the one that's generating most of the results here. And that is basically one way that you can look at keyword as working properly. Okay, so you want to be careful with when you're doing your keyword setup, right? Your research. You want to see, how are people searching for your particular product or service. There are other tools that we use. Some of these are called keywords everywhere. This is another particular tool that is useful if you want to analyze a particular page, right? If you want to get other ideas for your keyword search. So let me show you how this actually works. Just going to Google, let's say affiliate marketing training online, and then here you're going to see some of these keywords here. Okay, so this is a very cool tool that you can use to come up with these keywords. You can click on these keywords here, and now you have a list of keywords that you can use. It shows you the search volume, it shows you a few things. Obviously, you'll be able to, you'll need to pay some credits for this. I think it's only like $10, but it's definitely a useful way that you can get some ideas for your particular offer, right? So that is one thing that we want to encourage you, is to use a couple of these tools. Keyword Planner is obviously the best one. You could use it, it's free. This one, like I said, you have like a free option as well, but there are other options that you can look into. Okay, so moving on to number 2, you want to research your competitors. Okay, you want to research your competitors' URLs, and you want to add them to the keyword planner. So I'm going to show you how to do that just now.
Sorry about the interruption, but if you're someone that already has a funnel and you know you want to scale it, we're talking about 1K a day, a couple hundred a day, and you want to take it to 10K a day, then click on our link. What can you expect if you click on the link? You're going to talk to one of our consultants and we're going to see what makes sense for you. If you're someone that is a do-it-yourselfer and you want to learn a system, get on our weekly calls, learn how we come up with creatives, angles, how we do our targeting, how we scale, how we get clients to spending 30, 40K a day. Hey, you want to give that information to your media buyer? Feel free and ask about our course. But that's not going to happen unless you click on the link. So make sure you do that. It's totally free. But this is if you're willing to scale and you already know that you have stuff that works. Now, back to the video at hand.
So let's say I have, again, the affiliate marketing training online. Okay, so Udemy maybe not would be your best one, but you never know. Some of you might, if you sell a course that is maybe aligned with the same pricing here, then it might make sense. Then you can use this as well. And the way you go about this is you go in your keyword planner and now you start with a website. And then this is gonna come up with keywords that are basically driving traffic to that particular site. So there you go. Now this is very broad at times. Sometimes, you know, it might not make sense. You wanna really look through and see what makes sense for you to add in your keyword campaign. Sometimes not all of these are gonna be as relevant for your offer, right? So if your marketing course is not free, then don't include that particular keyword, right? Just be logical about the way that you're going about it, and perhaps you want to do other keyword, do other audiences, do other competitor URLs that are more aligned with your offer, right? If you have like a direct competitor that does exactly what you do, this is the process that you go for. You just search online, right? And then you add the keyword, the URL here, and you'll be able to come up with a list of keywords. This is a very good way to test different keywords and see which one's going to get you the better conversions. Okay, so number 3, you want to test a list of keywords that you're comfortable with after you've done your research, right? So if you came up with 5 or 10 keywords, then you want to use them in one ad group, okay, the one campaign, and then just test them out with the ads that you have. Right after that, then you wanna ensure that this is working. You wanna go inside your keyword level, right? So you'll find that going to content and go to display/video keywords. Once you're there, you'll be able to review if these keywords are performing or not from a conversion perspective. So very important, you have conversion tracking set up, everything is good. You can segment by the conversion actions that you have, and you'll be able to see which keywords are driving results. Some of them will spend, some of them will not spend at all, or they don't serve some impressions, right? So those are things that you want to analyze, and I want you to disregard this, right? Because that's another thing that, you know, Google is telling you here. So video campaigns that drive conversions usually perform better without keywords. So disregard that. Obviously, you know, this is an example of that I showed earlier. Keyword campaign generated a sale for $45,000 or $35,000, whatever it is. So this is definitely not true, okay? So take what Google says with a grain of salt at times. So you wanna explore the keywords that may be able to drive consistent results. We have multiple accounts where keyword targeting is some of our best, those are some of the best targeting options that we have. Okay, so that is the recommendation there, okay? And that segues into number 4. You want to measure keyword performance. You want to optimize on the keyword level, especially if you have more than 10 keywords at a time. Just, you want to pick out the ones that are performing well, or actually that are not performing well, and pause them, right? And that way your budget is allocated more towards the better performing keywords. Okay, so that is definitely some of the things that you have to do, okay? And then last but not least, a bonus tip is you want to be able to measure the effectiveness of the keywords through the campaign. What you can do is you want to test the different variations of these keywords with other ads, right? So if you have a fresh set of ads, so remember, people are searching on a monthly basis, okay? And if you have the same people that are searching similar, you know, with similar keywords, remember that the keywords are broad, okay? So when they're broad, it means that if you have, you know, affiliate marketing online training, somebody searches affiliate marketing, okay, it's very likely that these are gonna show up as well. So you want to maybe diversify and come up with relevant keywords that are already performing well, right? So that's one strategy that we've done in one particular account that is very reliant on keyword targeting. And we come up with variations using the keyword planner of the top keywords that were performing. So it's not really the exact same keyword phrase, but it's actually very similar, and those tend to also perform well. So that is the bonus tip is, you want to do the analysis, you want to do the research of things that are working well, and just launch some more campaigns with relevant keywords, and then just do different ads, right? So that's another way that we've been able to get results as well on YouTube. So there you go. That's basically how you can 10x your keyword targeting performance. We hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications to get notified when you drop some more YouTube ad and video marketing knowledge your way. Take care.